Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a blessed Sunday. I just woke up, got myself dressed, and today we'll talk about, you guys, oh my goodness, potty training. I know. Potty training can be so stressful for parents and daycare providers. So I'm here to help you and hopefully I can help you. And I know it's stressful. I know you have to be very patient. Sometimes we're not, but I'm here to give you guys some guidance and some tools on that. So, first of all, I believe that girls do advance a little bit more than boys do. So I would say girls ages from 1.5 to 2 years old, and maybe boys I would say 2 to 2.5 years old to start potty training. Now, in my daycare, when other kids see other kids potty training, I take all the kids to the bathroom with me. I line them up by the bathroom wall. I take one kid at a time to practice going to the bathroom, or I have each child go to the bathroom that's already potty trained. So when the kids see that, they're like, oh, I want to try Miss Beauty. I want to potty train too. I want to go potty. So I do have a little porty, like a little pot for the kids to pee in, and I have of course the regular toilet. And some kids they are afraid of the big toilet, so that's why I do practice on the little potty first. So to know if your kid is ready or your daycare child is ready for potty training, they'll have some kind of interest, like they'll want to go to the bathroom. They'll tell you that they're wet or poo poo. They want to be like a big boy, big girl like the other classmates in their class. Also, too, sometimes they'll be dry majority out throughout the day in their diapers. And also, too, I do talk to the parent because it's right here is a team effort. So I'm going to be doing my job as a daycare provider and potty training them in my program. And also, too, I expect the parents at home to do potty training too, so we can be on the same page. If I'm potty training, they're not. It's going to be very difficult for the child to learn how to pee and poop in the potty. So, what I do first, I talk to the parents and say, hey, I think that, let's say, Samantha is ready to potty train. I see her that she's interested in that. What do you think? And the parent says, yes, we can try, then let's go for it. But if I think that the parent's like, a little bit hesitant, doesn't want to potty train yet, then I won't push it because we have to be on the same page to make this work. Also, too, I have this cool paper. It just says that, oops, I need different clothes or more diapers. So they'll just check, or I will check actually. I will check here what they need to bring. I try to do like a week before or right before they run out of diapers or clothes. And I write the child's name on the very front of the page. And then I'll give it to the parent when I see them the next day or that evening. So back to potty training. If you are ready to potty train, I do tell the parents you can go back and forth. So let's say you're potty training for a week. I'm so tired. I'm just stressed out. They're not listening to me. They don't want to pee or poop in the potty. I'm going to go back in diapers or pull ups. This is a very bad idea because it's going to get the child confused and take longer for the child to potty train. So what I suggest is that you're ready to potty train, only underwear. And I would say use diapers for nap time and for bedtime only. Because sometimes they're not ready for that yet and they'll pee through their underwear. So I do recommend that you do put diapers on the child at night, nap time, and for bedtime. Pull ups, I am not a fan of pull ups because I feel if you're wearing a pull up all day, the child is going to start peeing in the pull up and diaper or the pull up and poop in the diaper all day long. So that's why I say only underwear because they feel that they're peeing, they feel it first and they don't like that feeling. So they want to say dry as possible or go try and go pee or poop in the potty. So, like I said before, I suggest only wear underwear, diapers at nap time and for bedtime, and no pull ups. So, right now, I'm going to take you to my bathroom and show you what I have in there. So, follow me. Sorry for the lighting. So this is my lovely bathroom. So as you see, I have a step stool. And for licensing purposes, we only have soap in the bathroom, No cleaning supplies, no toothbrush, no toothpaste. And I have the towels here. Like I said, I have a step stool. And right here, I do have a handy lock that you can get at Lowe's or Walmart or Target so they cannot get into the cupboard. Next is I have a toilet. So like I said, it's a regular toilet. I do clean twice a day. And right here is a little pot that I have for the kids when I am potty training. So this is pretty cool. It's easy to have the kids sit on the potty and then you can just dump it into the toilet. So I do like that. And toilet paper, toilet paper and everything like that. And I do have a trash can here for diapers and for my gloves when I dispose of them. And I change the trash can once a day. So I hope you guys, you guys see me? Hope this has helped you guys with potty training. And like I said, it's a team effort. It's going to take maybe a couple weeks, maybe a couple months. It took my 3-year-old, I potty trained him, I think around 2 years old, in about 6 months to fully potty train, pee and poop. And also too, number 1, which is pee, that takes a little bit easier time to potty train. Number 2, which I call poop, it takes a little bit longer. They're a little bit hesitant to go poop in a potty for some reason, boys and girls. So that's gonna be like the very, very last thing for them to learn how to do. They have accidents, it's okay. And once I start potty training, I probably take the children probably like around every 10 to 20 minutes to go in the bathroom. Also too, you can give them lots of liquids to help them go to the bathroom. And also too, if you're a parent at home and you have some free time with your children, I'll try the 3-day method. And that would be only in underwear for 3 days straight and have them go to the bathroom as often as possible. And you can, praise them. You can give them a treat afterwards. You give them a sticker. They like that. You can sit on the potty with them and sing songs to them. And then of course, after they're done, show them how to flush the toilet and then wash their hands afterwards. So if you guys have any questions for me about potty training, I would love to answer them for you. And you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy your Sunday and talk to you later. Bye.